Real experts on location. We are at Colonial East today. We're going to be checking out detached single family home model, the Alabaster, and they actually have some townhomes as well across the street. But for now, in this video, we're going to be looking at the Alabaster model home done by DR Horton, and we have Rebecca here with us and more of the Real Experts group. We got Shaz and my lovely wife, Alice. So check out the front of the model here. And Rebecca, if there's anything you want to tell us about it, other than the garage, which is your office, doesn't come like that.
Yeah, it doesn't come like that.
Should we go through the front door?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
So one car garage.
Yes, a single car garage in all of the homes here in Colonial, actually.
Okay, nice.
So this will be the start. This is the smart home system. So we have these come with all their standard feature on all
I gotta
homes.
tell you this, I love the ceiling.
Hey, that's an
Man,
upgrade.
that is an upgrade.
I haven't seen that before, and thank you to my wife for pointing
For
that out.
noticing things.
I'm not one to look up, right? So I know you guys are saying, you liar. At 5'5", I'm usually looking up.
Oh.
That was at you, Shaz. That was at you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
So
I
this is
love
our
it.
formal dining room area when you first come in.
Okay.
And then, yeah. What were you going to say? I'm so sorry.
Well, I was gonna say that I love the trim that is different from the DR Horton homes that, at least the one that we have. It's the flat trim and
Keeping up with the trends, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So by the time you guys watch this video, they might be going back to the round crown.
No.
Right? So when you come in, this would be the entrance from the garage. If you were coming in, it's my office, so I closed the door. But then here is your laundry room.
Okay. So you got room for a side-by-side in here.
Correct. And here's a small half bath downstairs.
Okay. You got a place to wash your hands. That's important. That's important.
There'll be a pantry right behind you.
That is a pantry. And here's another storage closet.
Nice.
Oh, wow. See, now I have two lovely ladies getting ahead of me.
Hey, and I guess if you pick this on the early times, you can still pick
The colors, if we get it early enough, it has to be at a certain stage. So
Okay.
I'm careful to promise that because it just depends on what stage in construction.
okay.
Yeah.
So Alice doesn't have a microphone today. You may have heard it or may not.
Oh, we can
But,
stand closer to each other.
That's okay. She was just commenting about how if you get in early enough, like this afternoon, maybe you can select a few color choices.
It's
But
not fully built yet. I
Right.
also love the
Black finishes.
black finishes.
Yes.
This is a DR Horton perk
Yes.
that they put in all their homes, and Emily Natalia swears by it.
It's the water filter. So for the first year, you get that as it's included. You'll just scan that little QR code once you purchase. They come out, they turn the filter on. They will try to tell you about a whole home water system
Nice.
that they can install as well. That would be an optional purchase to the buyer
Nice.
once they closed on the home. But the water filter for the first year does come with the
I
home.
think this is the first time I've seen the door pulls in black.
Yeah,
that-
that's what we're saying. No, the trims are black now.
Yes. Well, in this
No,
community.
Do it one more time. I think you're really just fascinated with that.
Aw.
Okay. All right. That's enough of that.
So with the Alabaster, this is a downstairs living room. There's also a living space upstairs that we'll see later. And then our ensuite,
Gotta
you
use
have,
the stairs.
am I talking too fast?
No,
Oh, you're good.
I'm just doing my normal hamming it up stuff. You said we're gonna look upstairs, and you pointed up, so I looked at the ceiling.
Oh, that's nice.
And then you said we'll go up there in a second.
But I love this corner unit that you have the more windows. To me, more windows into
For the
back.
Alabaster, yes, it is
lovely.
awesome. There is a lanai out here. This is our master ensuite, and great bright open space windows. You'll notice with
Alice
this
is
one
looking up,
too,
right?
the bathroom in here has the double vanities, tiled shower. the little room for the toilet. I don't know what it's called. I'm
Nice
sure it's got a
shower.
proper name for it.
Nice walk-in shower.
Oh, see, I thought the camera panned up high enough. I don't know if we saw the shower head. Yeah, very nice, very nice.
Look at the mirrors.
Alice, see, if
You know,
don't know,
every time, yes, they start building new models, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm so angry I didn't get this. I didn't get that.
Well, we can sell you another one, Miss
I was
Alice.
just going to say that. Right?
I would be happy to set you up with a home here in Colonial.
I see something kind of disappointing though.
You don't like our closet?
It says sold.
Oh, because we've already sold them and removed those signs, and
This-
we're getting ready to
this
put
is the
them out
model.
again.
That's right. There's other options here. There's still time.
There's still time.
So this is the model, right? So you may not
Correct.
have this specific view, but 300 days of sunshine, blue skies in Florida.
Right? This neighborhood will only have about 48 homes in the single family. And so most of this side right here will back up. Like there will be no development over here because that's wetlands area.
Oh my God, look at the flooring. I'm like, so many upgrades.
So Alice is impressed with the floor, and I'm just thinking about our channel's analytics. There's going to be 50 people that watch this video, and there's only going to be 48 homes. So 2 of you will have to call and...
That's okay. I'll
Maybe
have
we'll-
plenty of townhomes.
Okay, maybe we'll go over there next. Check the cards area. If we got a video for that, you can go ahead and click that.
I will tell you that the epoxy floors are just for an example. They don't come standard in the homes, but
Okay.
you can always upgrade if you decided you wanted that as an upgrade in
Right.
your home.
And the builder does that as an upgrade if you ask for it, or is that something
It's
you have
an
to do?
option that you could pay for whenever
Got it, got
you're
it.
putting
It's
in
not
your
something
offer.
you have to do after closing, though.
No,
Okay.
no, we can put that in for
It's
you.
not like the porch was staged. Like, this is what you could have.
Well, the home is a stage.
I know. That's what I'm getting at. It's like, okay, the pool? No, we're not doing that. Okay, now I'm confusing the audience. There's no pool here. There's, anyways.
No pool here. Thanks. for
We're gonna
that.
go
Oh,
up.
you don't have.
Got a wooden handrail.
LVP flooring throughout. Nice.
I've actually had sales reps in other model homes make fun of me whenever we get to a space like this because I go, oh my goodness, the second floor, I'm used to slab on grade, and that is not conducive for a home theater subwoofer that will, the concrete just absorbs those frequencies. But when you're up here, you just get a bouncy house.
It sounds like Miss Alice needs another new house.
Or at least one to go watch TV in, right?
That's a huge closet there too. Don't miss that.
Oh, I might need some help with that.
I know, you might. So with this being a community that does allow short-term rentals, we've got this set up as a living space, but you could always do a bunk room because, you know, with short-term rentals, you make more money, more heads and
Right.
beds.
I like that. It rhymes. And these chairs, I know we're trying to focus on the house and the floor plan, but these chairs, can you find out where they got them? Okay. I like the chairs.
That's nice.
If you buy the house, I'm sure we can sell them to you.
Oh, see, more builder incentives. Oh, no, she said upgrade. Got a walk-in
Huge
closet. Is it worth going in there?
It's just a closet.
It's just a closet.
It's a closet. This is the shared
it's-
bathroom. So the room that we were just in,
So he's still
that he's
there.
in, he's still in there,
I'm coming.
getting the closet.
Yep. Y'all finished?
You know my pet peeve, right? I gotta have those
Oh,
clothes.
me
Alice has always
too.
got to put the lids down.
Yeah.
Yes, we do that too. I don't know how that one got left up, honestly.
And this tub is perfect for an ice plunge. Shaz, you got the ice in the car, right? We're gonna load that up.
Shaz, can you fit in this tub?
I don't think I will fit in that.
You don't?
Not even for an ice plunge?
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh,
Okay.
it's actually big. Yeah.
Yeah, it's deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I do fit. Mine is just a deeper. The ice bath that I have.
Yep. I know, I've seen some of those.
This would be our second guest bedroom. with the closet. It's got a large walk-in closet, actually. I know you love closets, so maybe you can go on and
Yeah, I'm gonna-
check it out for us.
Yes. See, this is normally how Alice keeps me at home. And then when she decides to check on me, this is the view that I have.
Oh my.
Poor thingy.
She
I know.
does feed me. She
Do you
says
feel sorry for it?
No.
I don't either.
she lets me out for videos.
Yes.
That's about it.
Get your work. Come on.
So I think this wrapped it up, right?
No, we've got another bedroom and another bathroom.
Oh my goodness, bonus time. Bonus round.
And the cool part about the Alabaster is this is like an ensuite upstairs. It's just smaller. It's not as fancy as the one downstairs, but it
Look at how
is.
many windows. Love it.
So nice.
I know. Surprises in store.
Oh, I know. Again, Alice doesn't have a microphone, but she's pointing out Vanna style to like Vanna White in case. All right. Anyways, the windows are letting so much natural light in here.
Beautiful.
So-
Alice, did you see the mirror in here?
I did.
There's also a closet in here too if you want to try to come get in this closet. I'm just kidding. You can't fit in the linen
Well,
closet.
now we have new jokes. Usually it's how many people can we fit in the shower. Now is this closet
I'm not
one
in the
Sean
closet.
Sean has been in yet or not? Okay, so we got Alice's favorite style mirror ready to go.
Yeah, so you don't have to tear it up and then buy one and hang it. It's ready.
You like that picture,
Love it.
I
Chaz?
love it. My kids would love it. My oldest son.
Oh.
Wow.
This space themes.
It's kind of like 3D too. So there you have it. There's the hook at the end. If you guys want to see this 3D piece of art with Shaz, you know what to do, right?
Come get this house.
Okay, Rebecca, is there anything else that you want to share with us? Check the date on this video, you guys, because I don't know, she might say something crazy like you buy one, get one free, or no, that was me saying that.
Yeah, that was you saying that. I did not say that.
Well, I did put the disclaimer out there. Check the date on this video because, builder incentives are changing, prices are changing.
Yes. So our for February, for the month of February, we are offering an additional 1% bonus to our realtors. So D.R. Horton always has a 3% buyer's agent commission, but in the month of February we're doing 4. Also, for any homes that go under contract by February 27th and close by March 31st, we are offering back again, because we used to do a $10,000 credit
Flex
toward
money?
closing
Okay.
your closing costs. It's a builder forward credit. It's if you use our preferred lender, DHI Mortgage. We cut back to $7,500, but for the month of February, we're putting that back at $10,000 again. So that's a good incentive for our buyers. And also with DHI Mortgage, if it's a primary residence, or so if it's FHA or VA, we can do the 4.9 interest rate for this month as well.
Oh,
So
man.
those are great incentives. A lot of times realtors don't realize how much more buying power their buyers have just with that lower interest rate.
Oh, we know, and that's why we're here. We want everyone to know you get an incredible value when you buy with D.R. Horton.
Yes, you absolutely.
Even though rates are like a 3-year low right now, you can go even lower with D.R. Horton, right? And don't forget, you guys, Ferrari rides to closing, but you have to close with us. So give us a call, and we would love to show you this and other homes in the community. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Wave, everyone. Wave, everyone. Bye for now.